Everybody, Merrill here with Florida Lanai Curtains and Privacy on Demand, and we are up here in Palm Coast doing another installation. And you can see, I'll explain the situation to you. We've got houses over here. We got some good blockage from the two-story house next door by the palm trees, which is good. But we see we got a couple open windows here. But when you get down in the pool and you're sunbathing, you've got this customer now has privacy. You can see the elderly gentleman laying over there on the couch there, getting his suntan on. Yeah, so we're creating some privacy for them, but you can see they don't need anything on the back because they've got a really nice forested view still. No developments back there. So this is a pretty common scenario where we can see we've got a one-story house over here on this side. But now they've got privacy from that neighbor, privacy from the neighbor behind us, and now they can enjoy their pool with some privacy. They chose the Aruba colored curtains, which is one of the most popular outdoor colored fabrics in the outdoor industry. You can see it matches all of their pool furniture, kind of really makes the pool tile pop. The tile's darker. Curtains are lighter. There's some good contrast there, but they're still in the same color family. So it just creates a really cool look. But now they've got a private pool area. You see they got a really nice seating area up here that they're going to be able to enjoy with some privacy. So if you're looking for privacy or shade in your outdoor space, your screen enclosure, patio, porch, lanai, give us a call at 321-220-9444. And we would love to schedule a call with you or have the opportunity to come out and discuss options with you, show you samples, and show you how our system works and how we help people get privacy and shade all the time. You can also visit us at FloridaLanaiCurtains.com, where you can do an instant online quote for any of our products and decide whether you want to schedule a in-home consultation with us. We try to make it as easy as possible for you to get in touch with us and to schedule the opportunity to look at our products and get a quote from us. We do have a system now where you, when you do call, you'll more than likely get our voicemail, and then you'll get a text message with a link to our calendar where you can schedule the appointment time that works the best for you. So whether it's a call or a visit. So give us a call. We'd love to help you get some shade or privacy in your outdoor space. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.